Well of wisdom. Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Inviting you now to simply settle. Settling into your space. Settling so that you're completely comfortable and cozy. Moving in whatever way you need to now, or at any stage during the practice, to ensure that you feel completely at ease. As if you can settle now into your natural sense of ease and your natural rhythm of breathing. Noticing sounds arising as you settle. Outside the room, inside the room, inside the body. Maybe thoughts arising or sensations arising. Just for now, welcoming everything that arises. It's already there, so allow it to be. No need to focus on my words. Simply allow the sound of my voice to wash over you gently. Awareness moving to your body now. The back of your body, or the parts of your body in contact with the floor. Aware of the support being offered to the whole length of the body. Back of the head, the neck, the whole length of your back, the whole length of the thighs, all the way from the hips to the knees, the whole length of the lower legs, all the way down to the feet. The whole body supported by the earth. Giving yourself permission to let go now. And maybe you can let go a tiny bit more on each out-breath. Softening the body on the out-breath. Allowing the whole body to sink into the earth. As if you're settling into your imprint in the earth below. The warm earth welcoming the weight of your body. Your whole body held gently and safely by Mother Earth. Recognizing how truly precious you are. Settling into that sense of being held. And noticing the natural rhythm of the breath, coming and going, rising and falling. With each in-breath, breathing in a vibrant colour that warms and nourishes your heart. Each in-breath filling up a well of colour in your heart. Feel each gentle inhalation filling up a deep well of colour in your heart. Tuning into the depth of colour and the depth of wisdom in your heart. Notice a drop of colour at the crown of the head, the eyebrow centre, in the hollow at the base of the throat. A drop of colour on the right shoulder, elbow, and wrist. A drop of colour on the tip of the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. Adding another drop of vibrant colour to the right wrist, elbow, and shoulder. Another drop to the hollow at the base of the throat. Feel it settle. A drop of colour on the left shoulder, elbow, and wrist. A drop of vibrant colour on the tip of the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. Adding another drop of colour to the left wrist, elbow, and shoulder. Coming back to that tiny pool of colour in the hollow at the base of the throat. And adding one more drop, feel it settle. Drop of colour sitting at the centre of the breastbone. Notice a tiny drop behind the left side of the chest. Add another drop to the centre of the breastbone. A tiny drop behind the right side of the chest. Adding one more drop to the tiny pool of colour at the centre of the breastbone. A drop of colour settling in the navel, the pubic bone, right hip, knee, and ankle. A drop of colour on the tip of the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Adding another drop of colour to the right ankle, knee, and hip, the pubic bone. Drop of colour on the left hip, left knee, ankle. One drop of vibrant colour on the tip of the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Adding another drop to the left ankle, knee, and hip. The pubic bone, the navel, center of the breastbone. Another drop to the tiny pool of colour at the base of the throat. And the tiny pool at the eyebrow center. Feel it settle. Bring your attention back to the overflowing well of colour at your heart. The depth of colour. The depth of wisdom. Spilling out. Flooding your whole body. from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. A depth of colour and a lightness of heart. Breathing in and breathing out. Rising and falling. Coming and going. Feel the lightness of the air as you breathe in, and the heaviness of the body as you let go. The weight of the body, the weightlessness of the breath, a heavy body, a light breath, heavy and light together. Your whole vibrant body. A unique and precious gem, held reverently by Mother Earth. Dropping into the depth of wisdom at the heart of this precious gem. A well of wisdom at the heart. Your body a precious gem, held by the earth. Really feel the support the earth offers your body. Back of the head, back of the neck, shoulders, the length of your back, the length of the thighs from the hips to the knees, back of the knees, calves and ankles, whole body. Awareness of the whole body and its contact with the floor. The whole body lying here on the floor. The whole body breathing. And maybe breathing a little louder now, and a little more deeply. Bringing awareness to the tips of the fingers. Maybe making tiny movements with the fingertips. Awareness in the fingertips. Awareness moving to the toes. Maybe making tiny movements with your toes. And tuning in to what your body needs right now. Because the body always knows. Maybe it needs to lie still for a few more moments. Maybe it needs to change position. Maybe it needs a gentle stretch or a big sigh. And as you stretch or move or sigh, allowing the echo of the practice to stay with you, held in your heart. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you for your presence.